Do I go up there? Do I go to the spring thingy?
Oh. I can't even do it.
Oh, okay. It's not done yet. You still gotta jump somewhere. Fudge.
Now I can't even go up the sink.
Need to go to the other spot, which I... Am I supposed to be here? Hey!
Sashimi's at the finals.
Yay! It's so
Guys,
difficult.
roll the dice.
Oh
Yeah,
my god.
Win him in Scissors Paper Stone.
Oh, win him? Okay.
Yeah, you can decide.
Wait.
Okay, you can play with me. You want best of 1 or best of 3?
Oh my fuck!
If not, then I have to jump again.
I don't know.
Best of 1. Let's go.
Okay, you roll first.
Winning roll, come on. Oh, I cannot. Adjusting home.
Hey, somebody adjust home.
I think Tian reset the map.
What?
Huh?
Oh my god.
No! Why y'all didn't roll the dice with me?
Oh, too
James?
slow.
If one person win, does both members win?
No, it's every man for himself.
Oh, okay.
I think at the end you'll see how many eggs you catch, right? If everyone at the same time.
Oh shit. I think I got 1 egg I didn't take.
I cannot go up.
Macam too far.
I don't even remember where to go from the maze. Ow. Ken, I'm dead. What is this admin doing? Don't block me.
I'm just like winging it. Oh, wait, did I take picture of this? I don't know. Just take. Egg is here. Wait, where in the world? I never come across this before. There's nothing.
Yeah, sure.
I'm here.
So hard. Where you know?
I'm behind you.
You know where
Hold
to
hand.
go. Hold hand. So hard.
Oh, let's go. I'm just kind of semi-randomly moving. Stuck.
So hard that it's making me so hungry.
In real life?
Yeah.
Well, I can't even tell where was the entrance just now.
Right.
Cat, lead the way, cat. Wait, is this where the egg is? No, this is the platform.
How they even remembers like where shortcut from like mist to ice skating.
Hey, why are they driving?
Oh,
like...
he drive to go shortcut.
Oh. Hey, wait. I think I took picture of this already, but just in case.
Can redeem hard reset just now. Oh no. Why? I thought. Wait, who was the first to get out?
Violet was out, isn't it? No, why are we outside?
Oh, wait.
Oh, this is the entrance.
Go the other door. Go the other door. Go the other door.
We're here. did I take picture of this one?
I also like, shit.
I actually don't know.
I also
What I
don't
took
know,
picture of.
Jump, do you jump? Okay, yay.
Wait a second. I didn't take picture of the egg.
Tick. Made me so hungry
Why are they ice skating though? I really don't understand actually.
And wait, I don't know. You just go.
Okay,
Just go.
just go. You encourage one so I take it as a yes
I mean, I saw you walking already, right? 不是 meh?
Yes I mean like he approved of it what?
How come they don't know? I thought it's